Hey there. We're going to talk about the importance of an accountable plan. Hi, my name is Moshe. I'm a CPA. Today I'm going to talk about accountable plans, what they are, how to use them, and why they're so important. If you reimburse yourself from the business for expenses you incurred personally, the IRS will call that taxable compensation or income, unless you have an accountable plan in place. Let me explain this further. There are three kinds of expenses. Ones that are 100% business, that expense should be paid by your business, by the company itself. Then you have 100% personal expenses like your food that you pay for yourself. You don't have your business pay for those things. And then you have the mixed use that are both personal and for business. So what are examples of that? Like a home office, cell phone bills, internet, or a car. Those are paid personally, but you use them for a percentage of the time for business. It's just, we all have smartphones. So for the mixed items, your company owes you money back for the business usage. So if you go and you're calling clients, you're using your phone, you need to get reimbursed. This happens a lot in S Corps where owners play two roles, the investor and the employee. So everyone knows S Corps, they pay reasonable salary. As an investor, you don't get reimbursed. So if you are investing in something like Apple stock, not saying that that's the best investment, but if you did invest in that and you use your cell phone to call the broker, that's not an investment expense that you can deduct. It's not business. You're an investor. But when you reimburse yourself as an S Corp employee for things like your home office or car mileage, you need to have an accountable plan spelling out the rule and ensuring the IRS doesn't see it as extra income when you reimburse yourself for those expenses. I recommend reimbursing yourself quarterly since memory fades over time, right? No one can remember what they did in the past. Some people are very, 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 on top of it and they do it monthly, but quarterly is okay. Don't do it at the end of the year. Clients scramble. Oh, I made all this money and I need to not pay any taxes, right? So they start scrambling. Oh, I have my home rental. I have my car. I did 1,000 million miles. Do it quarterly. You have to document it. It's called an accountable plan. You got to account for substantiation. So for your home office, your cell phone, your internet, your mileage, all those things you want to reimburse quarterly. That way I can calculate your tax obligation accurately. Okay? Throughout the year, we usually meet our clients, 2 or 3, 4 times, sometimes during the year. And if you're not using the accountable plan right, and you don't have the numbers of what your actual taxable income will be, it's going to be hard to do tax projections. So we try to get that done quarterly. To actually reimburse yourself, what do? You can simply transfer money from your business checking to your personal account. You can Zelle yourself money. You can do whatever it is that you need to do. People have the same accounts for their personal. Let's say they're using Bank of America and their business. It's very easy to transfer back and forth, whether it's Zelle, whether it's just ACH transfer, whether it's just click the button transfer. You can do that. Or you can write yourself a check. Some people like to write checks. Write yourself a check. In the memo, you say reimbursable expenses. The key is having an accountable plan policy in place to govern everything to prove to the IRS it's legitimate. So you actually have to have a writing, like here's the rules, here's what our company will reimburse, and when are you supposed to ask for reimbursement? Every month, every quarter. All right, don't worry about anything because we draft those for our clients. And if you need any help understanding accountable plans or setting one up for your business, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'm always happy to help explain things or answer questions. Thank you.